Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Biology with Spearworks. Biology class 9th chapter number 4 lecture number 26. Today we are going to discuss about the connective tissues. In previous lecture we discussed about the epithelial tissues and its type. If you are new on my YouTube channel, for further videos subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about the connective tissues, the tissues which bind or connect different types of cells called connective tissues such as tendons. And we are going to discuss about the types of connective tissues. First type is cartilage. Cartilage tissues are dense connective tissues, and these are soft cells and made up of chondrocyte cells. And number second is bone either dense or spongy tissues, and these are hard tissues and made up of osteocyte cells. And number third is adipose tissues, and adipose tissues provides cushions means comfort, easy. And also adipose tissues excess store excess energy and fat. And number fourth is blood is also type of connective tissues, but it is a type of fluid connective tissue.